Hey guys, you have reached Regina TV and I'm about to do something real quick to my hair. So right now, this is the base of what I'm thinking about. I'm going to set this and then I'll be back to show you the next step. So what I'm going to do is just rubber band all through the middle. I'm not going to make it tight.
Now, y'all already know that I do the most. I mean, the absolute most. So, throughout this video, I will be bringing you important tips that is going to help you achieve this hairstyle. And y'all already know that I am going to bring you also a bonus.
I'm going to rubber band all of it going through the middle. And then I'll be back. And while I'm gone, make sure you hit that like button because that helps this channel out a lot. And also hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel, okay? And when I come back, I'll have all of this rubber band off. I know I'm going to connect my ponytail, so I am just going to, y'all know what I got right, Suffer 8. Just going to put some Suffer 8 on my hair. Y'all know I love that stuff. I'm going to keep on rubber banding. All right, so I'm making my way on down the line. I'm just connecting the ponytails. But I want to tell y'all this. Y'all see this ponytail? Don't go backwards when y'all ponytailing y'all hair. Come forward. Come forward and ponytail it. Because if you keep going backwards with that ponytail, as you go backwards, they're going to get tighter and tighter. And you don't want them to be tight on your head. Okay? So when you rubber banding it, lean it forward and put the rubber band in. This is how far I have gotten. Y'all know I got to tell y'all helpful tricks and hints as I'm doing my hair. I would hate for y'all to set y'all hair like this and then it get too tight on y'all. So I'll be back when I finish coming all the way back here, okay? Yeah. Y'all, I finally finished setting my hair in the back. It's so ugly. So, ain't nobody gonna see that, so. But I'm telling you, do the trick of pulling your hair forward. Use the trick of pulling your hair forward when you're rubber banding it. You ain't gonna feel no tension, no stress, or nothing on your hair when you get ready to set your hair. So it's looking like this. It's looking like this. It's looking like that. I know it's ugly. What I need to do is go to the store. So this right here, this is just my signature part off. Y'all know that by now. This is my signature part off because this is how I like wearing my hair. Okay, so let me get some gel. So you know I got my little got-to-be glue here. I gotta get some more of this. Because my hair is like getting more and more natural, it's hard to hold my hair down. It is, but this does it every time. This does the trick every time. So what I am going to do, I'm going to slick this down and then I'll be back. I'm going to slick both sides down. Because of all the pretty hairstyles we have been doing, y'all know by now that y'all can go anywhere with this hairstyle and use any technique. How we've been styling our hair lately, you can. I have to swoop my sides back now because they have grown over my ears when I smooth it out. So I have to slick it back into that. My plan is to be able to be very lightweight with this hair. Y'all know I want to be able to put it on and take it off. So I'm trying to figure out how can I do that. Let me slick this down. All right, so if y'all been watching the series, then y'all know that we can go anywhere with this set, right? And that's what I love about it. If I want to do the Effie behind there, I can do the Effie behind here. If I want to do the topper, we can do the topper when we feel like the topper. But what I am going to do is crochets. But y'all already know me. Y'all know it ain't just going to be no regular crochets. So what I am going to do is I am going to crochet the first 2 rows, okay? I went this way with the crochet needle because your knot'll lay flatter. It'll lay much flatter. So I think I'm gonna do the first 2 rows and then I'll be back. Okay, the reason why I didn't make my rubber bands tight is because 1, it's gonna hurt your head when you start doing your crochets, and 2, you gotta stick this crocheting needle through the braid and through the hair, and also you have to stick this big old braid or twist, whatever you're gonna choose, through that. Now, do you really want that pressing on your head? So although my hair look tight, it is not. It is not. Ain't nobody got no time to be losing their hairline. No. This is going really fast. This is like 22-inch crocheting hair by Express. Now around here is where I would stop. All right, well, I came up with an idea that I know you all is gonna love. So, because I know how I am with hairstyles, I'm just gonna show y'all. I'm just gonna crochet a little bit more of this, and then I am gonna show you all what I came up with, okay? And how to base your hair if this is the style you wanna wear. I'll be back.
So I decided to take a headband and put it on my mannequin head. And then the crochet hair that I'm using is called Expressions, and it's 22 inches long, and this is the way it looks. 3 come in 1 pack. So I am just going to crochet the hair going all the way around the band, filling the band up. Now, if you are a person that sweats, then this is ideal for you because you can take the halo off. Now, I don't like to bathe, sleep, shower in hair, and I'll be able to take this hair off. Plus, this will allow the crochets to last longer.
The Braidlo look like this. Take an elastic band, you crochet hair around there. I like this because you can move the hair anywhere you need it to be. Now watch this. You slip it on. Up here where you stopped your twist, you put it there. It's gonna stay, but if you want to pin it in, y'all know we can pin it in. If you just want to put a pin there for extra security.
Now, if you want to fill in your hair some more, you can, but I want my hair to feel light.
Okay? And then you set it the way you want your hair to be set. You can still pull it up in a ponytail. Just be mindful of how you have your twists, and it looks really, really good. All right, well, this is the way the hair turned out. All right, guys, well, you have reached Regina TV. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below so you will not miss the next video. I will be doing a series on this Braidlo, so you will know how to style it in the different ways you can style it. Yes, and do me a favor. Go over to Regina's Way. Over there is my other channel, and I love to do everything else over there on Regina's Way. Let me show you the outfit of the day.
Hey!